Alright, y'all see we are at the Sphere.
Disclaimer, this video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What's good with y'all, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all see, the background, it's a different scenery. Las Vegas, 503 horsepower, C63 AMG. Let's get into it, y'all. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get this POV started right now. I'm gonna give y'all some performance pages. Alright then, y'all, so I'm gonna be taking y'all down the strip of Las Vegas. Go ahead and put this thing in Sport Plus. This is a 503 horsepower V8 bi-turbo AMG, like I said earlier, 2018. It is currently 95 degrees, y'all. 95 degrees in the hot desert, man. Nighttime strip.
Statue of Liberty, y'all.
It's a replica of the Statue of Liberty, y'all. All of this kind of reminds me back at home from Universal City Walk and stuff, but nah, Las Vegas is definitely different, crazy. I don't know if y'all could see all the dead mosquitoes and bugs from our road trip, but sorry, I didn't have time to clean it. I didn't even attempt to clean it. My camera keeps dying. I think it keeps overheating in this weather. Still 93 degrees out at midnight, but I'm still getting y'all this POV. Y'all can see the Sphere from all the way over here. Currently going over there. We're lost though, because I don't really know these streets. Alright, y'all see we are at the Sphere, Las Vegas. I stopped at the middle of a random street to get this quick thumbnail. Y'all see it. Shout out to Jonas once again. Shout out. We're about to get this thumbnail in. But let me know what y'all think of the Sphere. And let me know what y'all think of the C63, y'all. Sphere. It's the next time Sphere.
alright then, y'all. Hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all please like, subscribe, please share. And yeah.
Yeah, man. Like I said, like, subscribe, and share.